Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for GoDaddy domain. All right, so let's begin with the video. So as you can see, I'm on my GoDaddy account. If we want to create a QR code that points to GoDaddy domain, what I like to use is the free QR code generator by Adobe Express. I like using this QR code generator because you don't need an account to use it, and you also don't need to enter any billing information or anything like that. You can go ahead and click on where it says Start Now. Now we can go ahead and actually copy our domain name and then enter it in the URL input right here. Now we're going to need to make sure that we add the https:// before the domain name, and that's important because it needs to be a valid URL. Now we have the option to download it. We can also adjust the styles as well, so we can choose from these different styles, like so. We can also adjust the color if we want, and can also adjust the file format. By default, it's going to be a PNG. If you want to save it as a JPEG, you can select JPEG, or you could save it as an SVG as well. You can also right-click it and click Save Image As. You can also click Copy Image as well, if you just want to copy the image real quick. So that's basically how you can create a QR code for GoDaddy domain. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.